Hey everybody, this is Kevin with Texas Yardman and More, and we're here at Canal Park, Duluth, Minnesota. And we are right here in the canal, and the Presque Isle is arriving here. It was built in 1973. It's coming through the channel. It's 1,000 feet long and 104 feet wide. And right now she's running empty. Coming in to pick up some taconite. And you can see it's starting to enter the channel here now, so we're going to get some good footage. Apologize for the noise. We got some construction going on here to the left. Home port of Two Harbors, Minnesota. And she's heading over to the Burlington Northern Santa Fe loading area for taconite. See if we can zoom in here. Beautiful morning out here. That is a huge barge. There's the barge entering the canal. She's a beauty. Gorgeous. And she has got a propeller up on the front. There's the bow. You can see the crew up there waving. Presque Isle. It's a French word. That is a long ship slash barge. It's a self-loading one. She's moving pretty quick. She is. Presque Isle, Duluth, Minnesota. And you can see that it is a barge with a tug that comes in from the back side there, and she slides in right behind the barge. So that tug can back out separate from the barge itself. And here we are at the lift bridge right here in Canal Park. Bridge is up to allow the ship to come through, and she's going in to load up with taconite. In a minute or so, here comes the bridge, lowering the bridge. And you can see up there in the center part of the bridge is the bridge master, who sits in that shack basically up there in the center. And he communicates with all the ships that are coming through the canal to raise and lower it. He or she. There the Presque Isle is making its turn. And like I mentioned earlier, these big long ore ships, they have propellers up in the front so they can maneuver more easily, especially when they're underweight. And right now he's using his front propeller to swing the bow of the ship over to line it up to where he can pull into harbor and anchor up. There's the bridge, just about down, another 25 feet. And that over there is Park Point, Minnesota. And on the other side is Duluth. So cars can traverse as well as pedestrians to cross over. Park Point has some beaches over there that people like to go and lay out in the sun and have a picnic. And Presque Isle is turned just about. I know it looks very similar to an actual ship, but it is actually a barge with the tug that's plugs right into it basically from the back side. So the tug is and can be separate from the barge itself. We'll try to zoom in here a little bit on the Presque Isle. And cars are crossing over the bridge now. Beautiful day here in Duluth, Minnesota. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe to my channel, and hit that notification bell for any future videos. Thanks again for watching. I appreciate all my viewers. Take care.